Welcome to the Moolmanshoek signature trail ride, the Pilgrims Trail, nestled in the heart of the captivating Witteberg Mountains in South Africa's Free State province. As you embark on this adventure, encounter magnificent creatures such as eland, sable, hemsbok, and the elusive serval that called this South African sanctuary their home. Traverse breathtaking vistas, discover hidden waterfalls, and navigate exhilarating cliffside paths. Each day on the trail unfolds a new panorama of the untouched beauty that makes the Free State truly unique. Guided by the legendary horseman, Wiesman Nel, you'll have the opportunity to enhance your riding skills and conquer new challenges. His extensive knowledge and passion for the area bring the trail to life and guarantee an unforgettable experience. Unwind in our authentic luxury sandstone accommodations, designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscapes. Indulge in delectable cuisine, lovingly prepared using fresh produce from our local garden. Book your adventure today and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Pilgrims Trail at Moolmanshoek Private Game Reserve. It's more than a trail ride, it's an experience of a lifetime.